In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Adobe Fonts. Start by going to the Adobe Creative Cloud website or app and make sure you're in the Apps section. Scroll down until you see Adobe Fonts, then click on the Open button. This will launch Adobe Fonts in a new browser tab. Here, you'll see a variety of trending fonts. You can choose one of these or use the search bar to look for a specific font. For this example, let's select a trending font named Seamus. Click on the font to open its page. On the Fonts page, you'll see an option to Add Family. Clicking this will add all the styles available for that font, such as light, medium, and bold. If you only want a specific style, you can click Add Font next to that style instead. Once you add the font, a notification will appear saying it's now available in Adobe Apps. To make it usable in other local apps like Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. In the top right-hand corner, click on the font icon. You'll see the newly added font in your list. If it says Adobe Apps Only, click on Install Family to make it available system-wide. After installation is complete, open any local application. Let's use Microsoft Word as an example. Type any text, increase the font size if you want, then go to the font family list and search for your newly installed font. Once you find it, simply select it, and it will be applied to your text. And this is how you can install Adobe Fonts.